Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the Iron Man fidget spinner. Alright guys, so this is the Iron Man fidget spinner. So it's made out of aluminum and medyo may weight to. So medyo matagal yung spinning time nito guys. Pinakamatagal ko dito is 2 to 3 minutes depending on how hard you spin it. Ayan, and meron dyang satisfying sound. Diba? Ayan. So spinning time nito is talagang matagal and pinong-pino. Ayan o. So yung mga gilid nito guys is meron mga gap. Ayan. So pag piniigot mo na siya, pwede mong ihipan. And para mo na rin siyang tinutulak and mas tatagal yung spinning time mo. So build quality nito is medyo premium. So gawa siya sa aluminum and medyo maganda talaga yung spinning niya. Yung bearings niya ginamit dito is ang smooth. Ayan o. Ang smooth. Saka medyo malapad yung hawakan. So mas madali mo siyang maibabalance sa finger mo like this oh. O, di ba? Balance na siya. O, di ba? Di ba? Kaya mo yun? Ayan. So nakakalibang to. May nakakatanggal din ng onting stress, you know, work. Okay? Ayan. Alam nyo guys, sa lahat na review ang produkto, ito ang pinakamahirap na i-review. Kasi every time na pinaiikot ko siya, nawawala na yung sasabihin ko. Diba ang hirap? Alright guys, so for more details about this product, check the link in the description box. Available to at Marisel online store, and also namimigay sila ng free sticky pad. So check out their Facebook page. Again guys, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Hans Andres, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Migil ka na. Please.